Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Good Morning Mechanic, where we turn wrenches and tackle challenges together. I'm Dan, your guide through the world of DIY automotive repairs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this is the place to rev up your skills and share your knowledge. Hit subscribe, join the Good Morning Mechanic team, and let's get our hands dirty. Alright, look at this. I've been parking my wife's car and noticing that over the last couple days. Look at that. And I know what that is. That is oil. So I gotta go talk to the friggin' idiot who changed my wife's oil last and have him get back underneath that car. So that idiot's me. Let's see where it's leaking. I bet you it's that freaking oil filter. So what you want to do here, start inspecting. We're going to go easiest to hardest. Good Lord. Get under the car. Oh, fuck, it's hot. Okay. Alright, we're good. We're good. Let me zoom out. Good Lord. Okay. There is the drain plug that is dry. And, it's hot. Hot. Okay. Oil filter. There it is. There's a problem. Look on up in there. See that? See where it's leaking? I think. I don't know. This whole thing is wet. Hopefully it's the oil filter. Good Lord. I don't know. You kind of see where it's running, maybe? I don't know. I'm going to wipe it off. Start it. See what's up. I bet you it's leaking from right there. Super hard to see, but let me zoom in. Enhance. Right, so if you look in between, you can see right there. It's just the littlest, come on, focus. The littlest of dot. And I don't want to focus. Okay. Alright. Now I gotta stop shaking. Well, right there it is. Alright, so what I think we're going to do is we're going to go to AutoZone, just get a new filter and change oil, even though we just freaking did it. So yeah, we're gonna do that because I think maybe the gasket's bad. So we're gonna change the oil filter and see if that works. Why don't you come with me? Could use a wingman. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. How cold is it? How cold is it? How cold? Yeah, I know. Oh my gosh. 38 degrees. It is 38 degrees outside. And I'm working with the garage door open because my garage is not big enough. All right, we are back from the store. We got ourselves a Ford oil filter. This probably not going to work. Oil filter remover, oil wrench. And then this probably also not going to work. Oil pliers. So I'm going to get under there. It's my cat. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. And we're going to get under here and remove that oil filter. Alright. I got the drain plug out. I really don't think this is going to work. But we're going to try it. I mean, mechanically it seems alright. It looks like when you turn it, it tightens. But I think it's just going to slip off, man. We're going to try it. I'm going to try and record it this time. This oil filter sucks. It sucks to get to. It sucks to turn on and off. Oh, my hands are covered in friggin' oil. See? Oh no! All right. Now look, here's the issue. This right here, it will not tighten because the little nut right there is sticking too far off. So I'm trying to tighten it. It won't grip onto anything. I might need two hands. I'm gonna put this down. Dude, I am so stupid. So I got in here with the wrench and barely touched it and it moved, which means I did not tighten it enough when I was last in here. So there we go, turn on the light. Now there's no oil here, no oil there. Tighten it all down. Gosh dang it, I'm dumb. Okay, so let's think critically here and logically. I messed up. I did not tighten her oil filter enough, my wife's, when I changed her oil last. And it created a small drip. I just put it hand tight. I should have used a tool or something, which makes me a tool, I guess. But I'm going to go inside and let her know that I fixed her car and it was definitely not my fault. So I'm just joking. I'm going to tell her. But I don't want to. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you've ever done that before, because that is embarrassing as hell. Thanks for watching. And as always, have a good morning.